Hey, what is up guys? It is Card Shuffler 99 here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys one of my favorite coin magic tricks today. Now this is, like I said, we're going to be making a routine of just showing you guys some of our favorite tricks. Today I'm showing you guys a really cool signed coin teleportation sort of effect. This is really cool, one of my favorites. Credit to this goes out to Scam School. Be sure to check them out if you haven't seen them already. They got a really good channel with a lot of great content over there. Now, we did show you recently one of our favorite phone tricks that you can do with any smartphone. Be sure to check that video out if you haven't seen that one already. We do have a secondary channel going on called CS Gaming. We're going to be doing some gaming videos over there, live streams where we, we'll play with subscribers, all that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys are willing to check that out. Link in the description for that. And we do have a giveaway on the channel. We're giving away 12 Monarch decks. That is a brick of Monarchs. All you guys have to do to enter is like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment something down in the comment section, and make sure that your post notifications are turned on for the channel. Alright guys, that is it for the intro. Let's get straight into the trick. So, Robert, what I'm going to give you here is a coin and a marker. Go ahead, take it, and draw whatever you want on it. Anything you want, doesn't matter.
Whatever I want.
Anything you want, Robert.
Alright. So put an eye there, another eye there, and...
Oh. Smiley face, maybe?
No. We're doing a frowny face today.
A frowny face. All right. Robert, you see there here. Can you mind rubbing on that for me? Make sure that ink doesn't come off.
No,
Good?
It's not coming off.
Perfect. So, Robert, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take your coin, and really quick, I'm going to create this little bundle here. And this is what we're going to do. I'm going to have you go ahead, hold that tip for me.
Sure.
Perfect. And you can see, is the coin still in there?
Yeah.
Yep, the coin is in there. That is 100% fine by me. Now, Robert, this one I'm going to take my coin now, and I'm actually going to draw something on my coin. How about, you drew a frowny face, right?
Yeah.
I'll go with the smiley face here, just so it's a little bit different.
Because of these positive vibes on the channel.
Always, always. Okay. Perfect, we'll make a little smiley face there. Everybody can see that? And Robert, really quick, if you don't mind rubbing that with your other hand for me, and making sure that doesn't come off.
Now we're good.
All right, perfect. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the same exact thing here. We're going to take it, and really quick, I'm going to make a little bundle here for my coin. Now, here's what I'm going to do, Robert. All I'm going to do is take this little bundle, all right, and really quick, we're going to tap them, okay? So I got here my smiley face. You got your frowny face. Really quick, let's give it a quick tap. Now, check this out, Robert. I'm going to quickly open up my bundle. You can see here there's no sleight of hand whatsoever here. Okay. You can see here the coin inside.
Oh, that's my frowny face.
It's actually your frowny face. And go ahead and show everybody the coin that you have in your hand. You can see it's actually my smiley face. That is the trick, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And anyway, let's get straight into the reveal. So, this is a really cool trick. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Like I said, this is one of my favorite coin effects. It's really cool. It's just a simple teleportation trick. So just something that you guys can do on the fly, okay? So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to show you guys really quick how this is going to go down. So, you're going to need 3 coins for this trick. You're going to need 2 napkins, and you're going to need a marker. Now, this is a really cool trick that you guys can go ahead and perform in like restaurants, anything like that. This is going to work great because, if you're in a restaurant, everyone's going to have a couple napkins. It doesn't matter how big. You can use a couple tissues like I'm using right here. And you need some coins, and you're just going to need 3 coins. Now, you're going to want to use recognizable coins, so I'm going to use 3 of the same quarter here. Now, obviously, it doesn't have the same, design on the back. It doesn't have the same state. But they're all quarters, and that's all that matters here. So, what you're going to do is really quick. I'm not going to take more quarters to sign, but I am going to just show you guys right here. Sorry about that. So what we're going to do here is you're going to start out with 1 coin, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and make a design on it, okay? Now, you can do whatever you want here. Like I said, what we did was we did a frowny face and a smiley face, so you can see it's, it's obviously different in that respect. But if you wanted to, you could just sign it with your initials. You could sign anything you want on here. But this is going to be your quarter, okay? Now, this is going to go straight into your pocket, okay? So, from there, you're going to be left with 2 coins, okay? Now, obviously, I'm going to have frowny faces and smiley faces already on here. But just keep in mind that these are going to be blank coins, okay? So, what you're going to do is you're going to start out and say, okay, I'm going to hand you a quarter. You're going to hand them a quarter and ask them to draw whatever they want. In this case, they drew the frowny face. Okay, so let's say they drew a frowny face. Now, obviously, you have whatever you have. Okay, so if you have a smiley face, you have a smiley face in your pocket. If you have, let's say you have your initials, you have your initials. It doesn't matter. As long as the coins are different, you could do anything like that. Now, if you wanted to, you could tell them that you're going to have them draw a frowny face, okay? If you set up the smiley face in your pocket, then you could tell them, okay, you're going to draw a frowny face on that coin. So if you wanted to do that, otherwise you could tell them to draw anything they want. Obviously, it's best if you have them write their initials or sign something, because obviously anyone can just set up a frowny face, right? And you don't want that to appear as if that's happening. So I don't recommend you tell them what to draw, but let them draw whatever they want. So that's going to be a little bit better, just so they have a sense of freedom, and they don't feel as if you're making them do something. Okay, so once again, you're going to have them take the coin, sign it. They can do whatever they want. In this case, we're going to have the frowny face. What you're going to do is from here, while they're signing that coin, you're quickly going to take the coin from your pocket and put it down in your palm. Okay, so this is going to be in your palm. You're going to take the napkin and you're going to cover it just like this. Now you can see what I'm doing is I have it on an angle so that my wrist has the tip or the edge here of the napkin. So I'm holding it sort of diagonally in a sense, so it's not going like this, right? I have it on sort of an angle here. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take their coin, so this is their frowny face, and I'm going to line it up with the coin right underneath. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm doing. I lined it up, okay? So this coin is directly on top of the coin underneath. Now you don't want to do that, so you don't want to make that sort of clink, because they don't know that there's a coin under here, okay? Now this is where the switch happens. What you're going to do is you're going to grab both coins. I'm using my index finger and my thumb here, and I'm grabbing both coins, and all I'm doing here, okay, is I'm going to flip over, okay? So once again, I'm in this situation here. There's a coin right underneath the napkin. I'm grabbing this just like so. I'm pinching, okay? And I'm going to flip it over so that their coin is now actually going in my palm, okay? What this does is it essentially just flips the napkin over so that once you start bundling this up, okay, you're going to bundle this up, what you have left in here is actually their coin, okay? Or actually your coin, I'm sorry. And now their coin is just left in your hand, okay? So that's the switch right there. Once again, I'm going to show you this, okay? So you're going to start out with your coin in your palm. You're going to put the napkin on top, take their coin, put that right on top of the napkin, pinch, flip over. What this does is actually putting their coin in your palm. You're going to bundle this up into a little bundle here, just like so. Now your coin is actually going to be in this little bundle here. They can feel a coin's in there, so they think this is their coin. You obviously still have their coin in your hand, and I'm going to transfer this coin back into my pocket. Now, that's where you can show the open hand, say, okay, everything's clean. You're going to draw your design, the same thing you drew with the coin that's now in their hands, okay? So in this case, I drew a smiley face before the trick started. I'm going to draw another smiley face here. Now, once you're done with that, you can have them touch it. You can have them make sure that the ink's not coming off. They can blow on it, anything they want. While they're doing that, that's the misdirection to bring out their coin again. Now, this coin's going to go back in the palm. Same exact setup. I'm going to bring this napkin right on top, just on this angle here. Take the coin that I just signed. I'm going to place it right on top of the napkin. You're going to do the same little switch here. Once again, you're going to pinch, flip over. Now, what this does, you can see, puts their coin inside the napkin, okay? While my coin, or their coin, is actually going to be here, okay? But this is actually my coin in a sense, right? So once again, all you're doing when this happens is you're actually just switching the coin. So once again, you have their coin in your palm. The coin you just signed is going to go on top. You're going to flip it, do the switch. You're going to bundle this up, okay? And then you're going to take this and you're palming this coin off, okay? This is the extra coin that you're going to have. This coin comes off. Now you can do whatever sort of magical gesture you want. You can have them clink, whatever. You know, you can show, okay, both coins are in here. And then you can reveal yours first. Show them, hey, check it out. You can see that the coins have actually switched places. Now, like I said, you're going to want them to sign it. That's the best thing you could do, just so it's a little bit different than, you know, the normal sort of routine. But that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this effect. If you did, be sure to smack that thumbs up button. Anyway, guys, this is Card Shuffler 99. Peace out.